Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo, where we want you to eat well, feel well, and to be in good health. So thank you for joining us today. Our sweet and savory chickpea popcorn is super easy and super nutritious. All you need for this recipe is 2 tins of chickpeas, half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, peri-peri seasoning, paprika, honey, and some sunflower cooking oil. We're going to start by draining and washing our chickpeas and then placing them on a tea towel just to dry them off. We're going to equally divide the chickpeas and place them into 2 separate bowls. To both of these we're going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. Now we're going to add to both bowls again a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to add that extra crispy and crunchiness. To one bowl you're going to add half a teaspoon of peri-peri seasoning, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and of course you can add more if you wish to. We're going to ensure that the chickpeas are covered thoroughly with the seasoning, and then on a tray lined with greaseproof paper we're going to pour the chickpeas on there, making sure that they're evenly spread out, and we'll do exactly the same for the chickpeas that just have the olive oil and salt on. And then we're going to place those in the oven at gas mark 5 and Celsius 180 degrees, and then we're going to leave those for about 30 to 40 minutes, checking regularly. After about 35 minutes we're going to take out the plain ones, we're going to put them in a bowl, we're going to add a tablespoon of honey, stir that in really well, and then put them back on the baking tray, put them back in the oven for another 10 minutes until they are crisp. Here we have our sweet and savoury chickpea popcorn. We have our honey roasted popcorn, and then we have our slightly spicy popcorn. Either way you're gonna like both of them, you're gonna enjoy them. It's the perfect snack, whether it's at lunchtime or when you're just watching something. So try it and enjoy.